Recently, I discovered how to create a UK TikTok account the right way from Nigeria. And in this video, I am going to show you how to create a monetizable UK TikTok account from Nigeria. You don't need a VPN or to give anybody money to create this account for you. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos going forward. And please watch this video from the beginning till the end. Now, let's begin. So guys, before we begin, I would like to make something clear. You don't need a VPN to create a UK TikTok account. You don't need a VPN at all, because I see people saying use a VPN, it is going to change your location to the UK and then you can create your UK TikTok account like that. This is the mistake some people keep making. You are going to miss out on the most important part of the creation if you use VPN. It does not work like that anymore. Maybe it used to work before, but right now I don't think it works anymore. So another thing again is that at the end of this video, I am going to teach you how to monetize this UK TikTok account. The truth is, opening a UK TikTok account from Nigeria is not all that matters. It is for you to know how to use it in a way TikTok is not going to ban your accounts, because they do ban people accounts when they find out things like this. So I am going to show you how to use the account in a way TikTok will not ban you. That is why you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So now let us begin. You are going to go ahead and search for TikTok on Google. Open your Chrome browser like this. If you have Chrome browser on your phone, open it and then search for TikTok. It is going to bring you on a page like this. You are going to see the apps, TikTok Leaks, the one that is going to help you save data. But we are not going to make use of these ones now to sign up on TikTok. So when you see this these apps here, just ignore it. We are going to make use of the web version of TikTok to create our account. What we are going to do is to just come here and click on this website like this. It is now loading. Okay, it has fully loaded. What we are going to do now is to go ahead and try to log in. When you click on this login button here, you click on it, look at it, it will say log into TikTok, use QR code, use phone or email or username, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple. We are going to ignore all these things here and then come straight to this place. Look at this place where it says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. So this is where you are going to do your magic. You come here and you click on this Nigeria. This is where you are going to change your location. Now you scroll bit by bit. You scroll until you find United Kingdom, because that is the country you wish to change your location to. You look for United Kingdom. We are going to scroll until we find it. Let's keep scrolling. Okay, so this is United Kingdom here. We are going to click on it. United Kingdom is now our location. We'll click on done. When you click on done, you see it has changed here. Now you are going to proceed and use any of this. You're going to proceed and click on sign up here. When you click on sign up, it will ask you to use any method you want. You can use any of this method. Use phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. We are going to go ahead and use email to create. Then you come here and check your date of birth. I was born in May. I'm going to check here a 17th, and what year? We just go scroll. Okay, 1997. And then you are not going to put your phone number because you won't be needing that. So the next thing you're going to do is just click on here where it says sign up with email. You sign up with an email and then it is going to ask you to put your email address. I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address here. I'm going to use this one here. Then I'll put a password. So after entering your password, the next thing to do is to click on this send code button. When you click on this send code button, you can choose to agree with this thing here. You can choose to also untick it, whatever you want, just to read it and see if it is something you would like to be getting messages on. You can go ahead and tick it. For me, I like ticking it because they gives me more tips and details about trending stuff on TikTok for me to grow my account. So after that, when you click on this send code, TikTok is going to send a code to your email. You are going to copy that code and paste it here. When you paste it on this place, it says enter 6 digits. You can go ahead and click on next. When you click on next, your UK TikTok account has been created. What you are going to do after your UK TikTok account has been created is for you to go ahead and log into the UK TikTok account with the main app. On the main app, this is what we are going to do. So after creating your UK TikTok account on the web version, the next thing for you to do is to go to the TikTok app and log into the UK TikTok account that you just created to confirm if the account you actually created is a UK account and not Nigeria. What you are going to do is to click on your TikTok app here from your phone, and then okay, it has opened. Now I am logged into my own TikTok account. So what you are going to do, you know how to log into your TikTok account. You're going to go ahead and click on the login on the login button and then login. For me, I'm already logged into my own account, so I'm going to use my own account to show you what I'm talking about. I'll just click on my profile here. I'll click on it and then I'll go straight. I'll click on this button here. It will bring out TikTok Studio, balance, my QR code, settings and privacy. I'll just click on settings and privacy. It will bring me here. I'll click on accounts. Okay, I'll click on account information. After clicking on account information, it will bring out my account information. As you can see here now, my location is United Kingdom. This is now a UK TikTok account that I created by myself. So this is how you create a UK TikTok account. So the other things I said I am going to show you in this video. Thank you for watching till this point. Now, after creating a UK TikTok account, please don't ever sign in into that account with a VPN. Avoid using a VPN, because if TikTok finds out, they will think you are trying to bypass something and they are going to ban that account and also ban your IP from creating another TikTok account. So don't do that. Avoid using VPNs. The next thing for you to do is to please allow the account to rest for some days. Don't be desperate to start posting on the app. Avoid desperation. Don't post on that app immediately that you have signed up on that account. After signing up, allow the account to rest for at least 3 days. And the third one is to please, when you start posting, post only original content. Don't post any video you download from somewhere or anything like that. If you do that, TikTok is going to ban you, or you will not even be able to monetize that account. When you get all your views and everything and it's time for you to monetize, they will not monetize you. So please avoid these 3 things and you are good to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your UK TikTok account, and please, if there is anything you don't understand, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel, please. See you in my next video. Bye.